Okay, this will be like a short review unboxing. We've already unboxed it and we've used this once before, but it's been a couple of years. And so this will just be a short, but you know, take it out of the box. You've got all your packaging, you've got your instruction and everything. And to get set up, you just screw that 1 pound bottle. The fitting for it will raise up where you can screw it in, and then turn it to pilot, push the button down, the pilot will flicker, or you know, it'll spark. And it took 5 or 6 times before this caught up, but it caught up. And then we moved it, lifted it up and moved it over to low. You need to hold it down and let the pilot get lit good, and then lift it up. Turn it to, we're just going to be using it on low because we're just going to be using it to warm our feet here. Also, now we've got a hose that we can hook this to a bottle. I'll get that hose and show you. But yeah, see, we're just going to use it on our feet right here. We have this torpedo heater over here, which works good, but also waste oil heater. But as high as the ceiling is, all the heat goes up. And it'll keep it, you know, fairly warm in here. But down there on the ground at our feet, it keeps it sort of cold. So let me get that hose and use a filter with the hose. Let me get it and I'll show that, and then we'll upload this short. Now here is the hose and the filter, and it shows the filter on there. The reason for that filter is, from what I have learned through research, is this propane will, I guess, take rubber particles from the hose and clog up your burner. So you need that filter to make sure that doesn't happen. So that way you can connect this to a tank. And that way this will burn much, you know, the little heater will burn much longer. Now, like I said, this will go from, I think, 4,000 to 9,000 BTU. We're just going to use it on the low because we're going to use it here on our feet. We'll be doing another review of it. We've also ordered a little landing right there, not a landing, but a little pad where we can hook it on there and actually cook off of it. So we'll get that Wednesday, and we will try showing you that when that gets here. So this is the Mr. Heater Buddy